Hi, my name is Rory Daly, and welcome to Daily Travels. My next car-related stop was STI Gallery, located in Mitaka City, Tokyo. If you're not familiar, and you should be if you're watching me, Subaru Technica International, STI, is the performance and motorsports arm of the Japanese brand. After a train and a bus ride, I ended up at what basically is a small town of Subarus, as it's based at the Mitaka Subaru dealership and service center since 2009. Here, I was able to interact with several significant Subarus and delve into the history of the performance company. Like Nissan Crossing, there is a constant rotation of important Subarus, so make sure to check their website to see what's on display and their opening hours. You can also stock up on your Subaru swag or STI performance parts via vending machine.